Hey y'all, it's your girl J Slay and I am back with another video. Today, this lovely video has been sponsored by Weave Master. I will be installing some crochet passion twists into my head, and I have already pre-plaited slash cornrowed my hair already. But first, let's get into this package I just received from Weave Master. So let's get into the initial review and then I will show you guys how to install it. This video has been sponsored by Weave Master, so thank you so much, Weave Master, for sending me this product to review and do a video on. Thank you so much. So it comes with this nice little pretty card, and it says beauty is life, and yes honey, it is. And then on the back it has a nice little message. I know it has like their links for Facebook, their Instagram page, which is Weave Master Hair. They have a WhatsApp, and then they also have an email address. So I got a little present in there. So you can't have enough crochet needles, okay? I'm looking like a bald head scallywag right now. Ooh, child. Somebody cue the music.
Bald head scallywag, ain't got no hair in bag. Jail up, beat up.
I'll leave all the product description in the box, the description box below. And I will certainly leave the link to their Amazon page. This is the same size, of course. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 12-inch or a 14-inch. Different color today, y'all. Different color. This is a T27. So that's just what that looks like. The hair doesn't have a smell. I'm ready to get this installed and so let's get into it. You start with the plait first, and you're gonna use some Shine Jam. Gonna take that Shine Jam, place it on your part. And parting it this way creates the illusion that you have individual parts for each individual passion twist. However, you know, with crochet, they have to be installed into a plait or some sort of base. So that's what we're doing here. And you cornrow it back as you go, but you want to plait it first. So you're going to take 3 strands of hair, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to go ahead and start plaiting that up and plait it all the way down. So that very first one, you're going to just take it and plait it all the way down, right? So now that we've finished that plait, you're going to do that same thing with the next section, but you're going to add the plait that you just finished into the plait that you're now creating. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to take strand 1, strand 2, and strand 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pinch around. Grab that hair, and we're going to go around once or twice, and then we're going to grab that first plait and push it back there and continue to plait that hair. And now you're going to just plait all the way down. All right, so basically you're just connecting the dots. So you're connecting each plait with the next plait. So by the time you finish, it just looks like a cornrow plait, basically. All right, you're gonna do the same thing with the third one, and you're just gonna start plaiting that third one and brush it up, and then start a plait with it, and then add in that second plait that you just finished. All right, so now that I have finished all the plaits, I am just gonna actually just weave this through in between the plait sections instead of sewing that down. You know, less tension. I can just easily take it out. Ooh, y'all know I love Sulfur 8. I'm gonna go ahead and use that, and I'm gonna use Dye-Field Pro Growth hair oil, and it smells delicious. All right, to install this look, you'll close the flap on your crochet needle and insert it through the braid and loop the hair around it. Pull it back through the opposite side and take that passion twist and pull it through that hole that you create there, and you'll just tighten it up, but don't make sure it's not too tight, and you'll continue that process. So open up a little hole there, close the flap, push through the braid, put the loop around the twist, and then pull the twist through the base of the hair, and then you'll just pull that twist through the hole that you created in the beginning, and you'll just continue that same process throughout. What I do like to do whenever I do crochet on myself or either someone else, someone else will be my sister. Hey girl. So I like to fill the bottom first and then go through the sides and make sure that my perimeter basically is taken care of. So I just do the back and then the sides just to make sure that all of that has been filled in. You do want to try to space these out because crochet can look very bulky if you put too much in one space. So fill in the perimeter first, then fill in the individual braids. Try to go along with where each plait starts. And then if you feel like you need to fill in a little bit more, then do so. And of course, your girl is done. This took me about 30 minutes or so once I got started. And you know I got pictures. Hey y'all, it's your girl J Slay, and I am finished with this look. I have finished my crochet passion twist. I am getting into this color, y'all, because y'all know I typically do 1B or 2, but I am liking the splash of color. You guys, this is from Weave Master. It is available on their Amazon store. Please go purchase yourself some. They do have other colors and other crochet styles, not just passion twist. So go check it out. I will leave that link below in my description box. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, comment. Talk to your girl, okay? Please comment below. Y'all, this is your girl J Slay, and I will be back in more videos. Bye.